Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to, a couple days ago, put up a little poll on my Instagram where if you're not following me on Instagram, it's just Mary Petrushko. I do a lot of polls over there. That's where I also announce my giveaway winners, which I just had a giveaway on the January 1st and announced the giveaway on my Instagram, and I do have more giveaways planned. But anywho's, I put up a poll on my Instagram and asked you guys if you were interested in seeing like a affordable makeup bag video where I give you like makeup recommendations to build your own makeup bag. I saw Amanda Ensing or Ensing, whatever her last name is, Makeup Just for Fun, did this video, and I thought it was a really great idea. So I came up with a little list for you guys and have most, if not all, of the items in this bag right here. And it is a little under $100. So if you're interested in seeing what I have, then just keep watching. Okay, so you might be wondering, why would I need an $100 affordable makeup bag? Well, a couple reasons. First of all, if you're a new beginner and you're just now starting out in makeup and you're wanting some cheap, affordable recommendations, then this is for you. Or say for some reason you're going out of town and you accidentally leave all your makeup at home, which I had a sister of mine do this over Thanksgiving, and she had to go out and get new makeup. So if something like that happens to you, then this is for you also. So yeah, let's just go ahead and kick it off. We are going to start in just the order that I apply my makeup. And the first thing would be a primer. And this is like a tried and true holy grail for me. And that is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, which is $8. I mean, you can obviously see how much I love this. This is just the original one. They have come out with like a couple different ones, but I really enjoy this. It's like a dupe of the Tatcha primer, but it's very pore filling and it's not heavy on the skin, and it just feels really nice too. So that is what we have right there. It just blends out really nice. So for foundation, I have from Maybelline their Dewy Smooth Fit Me foundation. Now I'm not wearing this today because this is a little deep for me currently. This is more towards my summer shade. Right now I'm wearing the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It probably looks a little crappy right now. I've had it on since 11 this morning. It is now 8 p.m. I've been out all day. I had a mask on, so I mean, it's late. I just put my daughter to bed. I got drool and spit up all over me. It's late. But I absolutely love this foundation. They have a matte one as well, but I prefer the dewy one. It's a great foundation. I will show you just so you can see. This is the shade Nude Beige. Again, a little bit too dark for me right now. Actually, probably could have pulled it off. But next we have concealer. So there's two different ones. The foundation is $7.99. And this is the concealer from e.l.f. It's their 16-hour Camo concealer. This is the original, and this is the Hydrating. These are both $6. I prefer the Hydrating one, but either or is great. This is medium peach. This is light peach. Sometimes I mix them both together. But $6 for this is really a great steal. And then next we have powder, and for that I have the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is like again, another staple product. I have it in the shade, where is it? Fair Light. And it's not translucent. They have, I think, like 4 different shades, and I just picked this one up, and it's first of all very powdery, but it feels very soft and lightweight on the skin. It does it's not like extremely blurring, but it's just such a beautiful powder, and it's like amazing. And this is only $7.99. So next I have blushes, and I have 2 different ones to choose from, and I just discovered these a couple months ago. They are only $2.99. Like, that's it, $2.99, and it's from Essence, which I do have a good amount of Essence things from in this video. and it's called the Blush. So I have two different ones, and I think I'm wearing both of them today, but again, like I have it on forever. So we have this shade in Bespoke, and it looks, in the pan, it looks like a bronzer, but it's like a shimmery blush, and it has like a little sheen to it. It's really pretty, and look how pigmented that is. Like, that was one swatch. And then this other one is in Beloved. I think they have like two other ones, but these are just the two that I have. Like $2.99 for those blushes. Like, that's ridiculous. And they're just really pretty. Love them. And then bronzer, I told a couple people about this video, and they're like, oh, Physicians Formula butter bronzer, do that. And I'm like, yes, that's a great bronzer, don't get me wrong, but I wanted to keep this at $100 or less. And not that that's like a very pricey bronzer. I'm pretty sure it's over $10. But this one from e.l.f. is $6, and it's just as good, honestly. And it is their Primer-Infused bronzer. I have it in the shade Forever Slim Kissed. Again, I have this on my face today, and that is what we're working with. Like, that's just one swatch, you guys. It's so crazy. Like, don't be sleeping on drugstore brands, guys. They're just as good. And then, I can't remember if I said, but that's $6. And then this blush, again, from Essence, is Pure Nude Highlighter, and this is $4.99. And it's a pretty big pan. Like, this blush $2.99, and this is $4.99. So again, I have this on today. It's called Pure Nude, and which would kind of leave you to believe that it's pretty subtle, which it can be, don't get me wrong, but it can also be pretty blinding. So there's like just the itty bitty swatch with it kind of sheared out some. Let me show you how you can just like build it up. It's really pretty. Again, I have that on today, $4.99. And for mascara, again, another Essence brand, and if you're willing to go a little over $100, I would recommend L'Oreal Lash Paradise or CoverGirl Exhibitionist or CoverGirl Exhibitionist Uncensored. But this mascara from Essence is $4.99. It is the Lash Princess. That's what I have on today. And I absolutely love this. It's got an interesting wand. It's not crazy thick, but I think 3 layers on my lashes. And with other mascaras, the more layers I do, the more clumpier it makes my lashes. But this does such a good job for when you layer mascara that it doesn't really clump up your lashes, and it keeps them separated. And I actually really, really love this mascara. And I have this one in the waterproof version. Again, $4.99. So for eyeliner, I know I'm not wearing any today, but I included one like a liquid liner and then one for the waterline. So the liquid liner one is from NYX, and it's $9, so it's a little bit more on the pricier side compared to the stuff on here. And it is their Epic Ink liner. I actually have 2 shades. I have brown and black, so either or. So this is the brown one. Boop. That's a horrible swatch on my part. And then the black one, it has a really nice tip to it as well. I've gone through several of these. Yeah, see how pigmented that is. Again, $9. And for the waterline, I think I have it on today. I love colored liners, like, don't get me wrong, love them. But I like to use a nude liner because it gives the illusion of like a bigger eye. And this is from, again, Essence. And it is their Extreme Lasting Eye Pencil. And this is in the shade Silky Nude. And this is $2.99. Again, I have it in my waterline, but it's just a pretty, you can't really see that, a little bit. Just a really pretty nude. Absolutely love this. I've gone through several of them. And next, I have brows. Now this is a newer product to me. I don't have it on today. I actually didn't put any brow stuff on today, so kind of crappy. But Andrea Mattiliano has recommended this several times on her channel, and it is the LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I have it in the shade medium brown. This is $5.99. Comes with a little spoolie, which I already love, and then the applicator, I guess you would say, is on this side, and it is a very thin, precise tip, which I really look for in my brow products. Now we're going to move on to shadows, which I unfortunately do not have them with me, so if you watch my declutter video, which I will link down below, then you will understand why, and also in my ranking my palettes from 2020. So I don't have these palettes because I decluttered them, which I know probably sounds awful, but it's not because I don't like them, it's just because I did not use them. And the palettes I am talking about are the e.l.f. bite-size palettes. They have, gosh, like 6, if not more, different ones to choose from. They're $3. The formula is amazing. The palettes are really pretty, but it's just, I like bigger palettes, and I found myself never using them, so for that reason I got rid of them. But if you like smaller palettes like that, then you would totally love them, so I definitely recommend them, and I'll insert the pictures over there. Next, I wanted to include some tools. So for that, I don't have all of them. I have one of them, but I'm going to link them below. But there's a Real Techniques brush set. I think it has like 6 different things or 5 different things in the sponge, and it's, sorry, my phone was about to die. I gotta hurry up. $18.38, and I absolutely really love the Real Techniques sponge. It's one of my favorites, so I totally recommend that. And then the other brush set is from Eco Tools, and it's technically 2 brushes, but it has, they're both double-sided, so I guess 4 you would say, and that one is $5.87. And I did skip this lips thing. This is new to me also, and it is from e.l.f. and it is $3. It is, I'm not sure which one it is, but it's going to be linked down below. It says Seriously Satin, and it's in shade Taffy. I don't have it on right now, but I'll put it on. Oh, it's so pretty, and it's really soft, and I'm gonna put it on here too. Look how pigmented that is. It's so pretty. But yeah, there we have it, guys. That is my little makeup bag right there, and the total of all of the stuff, including all the brushes, the brush sets, and everything, comes to $97.18. So it's just a little under $100, which is what I was aiming for. But yeah, guys, that is everything I have for you guys today. Thank you. Oops, hopefully I didn't hit my mic. It's right here. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys aren't already, make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn the notification bell on to be notified of when I upload my videos, which are Monday and Friday at 1 p.m. CST? EST? I'm not sure. I can't remember. My brain is right now. And I will be having more giveaways coming soon, so just be on the lookout for that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye.